So you heard what everybody's talking about? Well, they're talking about the Jamaican stone. This is it here. What's Jamaican stone all about? Well, Jamaican stone helps with premature ejaculation. It can help prolong sex. And it's not only for people with premature ejaculation, it's also just to increase your pleasure. Again, it's called Jamaican stone or Jamaican lump-stone. This is how it looks here. You just need a small piece. You work a little paste on your hand with water. Apply it on the head of your penis. Keep it on there for a few minutes. Wash it off. Wash your hands. Then you'll be good for hours and hours of pleasure. So again, Jamaican stone, available at Wholesale Jamaican Stone. As we say here, always keep it hard.